At this very moment, the Kashmir of Rajasthan is luring hearts of many with its beauty at its peak, bringing out hidden within you a nature lover amidst of the greenery. A curious explorer when it comes to Aravali mountain range. The moment you hear a mountain, you imagine a magical waterfall falling down with a beautiful sun rays reflecting back from the water reservoir and magnificent beauty at its peak. Today, we will explore this majestically marvelous place for real. The Kashmir in the Thar Desert has blessed us with Bheel Beri, the highest waterfall measuring up to 55 meters in Aravali mountain range with a span of 692 kilometers. This is the highest waterfall on the entire Aravali range and is one of the best facts that has led to the Rajasthani mantra. जाने क्या दिख जाए. Bheel Beri Eco-destination is a waterfall site surrounded by dense forest. It is a part of Todgarh Wildlife Sanctuary. Approach to Bheel Beri site is through 4 kilometers by trekking nature trail connected from Forest House Waterfall Point. The rock cliffs near the waterfall is a roosting site of endangered Indian vultures, and the rocks near the waterfall are passed out with beehives of the rock bees. This potentially rich ecotourism site provides camping with tent facility and rooms to stay. And you will be so amazed to know about the biodiversity. How rich is the biodiversity of this area? This area is covered by dense dark forest along with many medicinal plants, and one can easily sight slot bear and leopard, and not only wild boar but also four-horned antelope. Along with it you get to see hyena, and if you are lucky enough you'll get ruddy mongoose, sambar, and grey jungle fowl and red spurfowl, and then you will have yellow-footed green pigeon, and of course accompanied by alpine swift and paradise flycatcher and Indian patta.